Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lucas Fredriksson. I create custom Ark Survival Ascended server plugins and Discord bots. In today's video, I will show you step by step how my Ark plugin works and functions. If you find anything in this video helpful, please drop a like and comment below. It helps my channel grow. English is not my native language, so please bear with me as I explain how my plugins work. I designed PlayerNotes to give every player a small private notebook they can access directly through the in-game chat. Players can use the /note add command in-game to save a reminder, the /note here command to save their current location, and the /note list command to view all their saved notes, even weeks later. By default, PlayerNotes stores all data in a local SQLite database, so no additional database setup is required. For clustered servers, I also included Maria database support, allowing every map in the cluster to access the same shared notes table. Server owners can configure the maximum number of notes each player may save and the maximum length of each note. An optional permissions node can also restrict access to the plugin, allowing server owners to offer PlayerNotes as a VIP or supporter perk. I intentionally designed this plugin to be lightweight and open source. The thought process behind this is by making the public open source, you can then take my source code and improve upon it for your own gaming servers. And because I am a new developer in the Ark world, having the plugin as open source makes you see firsthand how the plugin operates, and I as a developer can learn and improve from that. So the question is, what does PlayerNotes plugin do exactly? And how does PlayerNotes work? To answer that, let's pose a question. Let's say you are a player in game and you are doing underwater ocean loot drops, but you don't remember the exact GPS location of the drops. By using PlayerNotes, you can log your map GPS coords or take personal notes down, and you'll never lose access to that location again. This simply solves the issue of having to rely on Discord or other third-party tools for taking notes while you play. Why would you need to take notes in Discord if you can do it directly in-game? This makes it so you don't have to tab out of your game client each time you need to write something down. It's a very simple concept, but it solves a quality of life issue in-game, a very real issue that even my wife was having when she was playing. So in many ways, I built this plugin cause of her idea of not having to tab out in-game. Let's ask something else. Let's say a player saw something odd in-game and they wanted to document that down into a private note so they can later report it to a support team member. My plugin solves these issues. So while yes, this is a simple lightweight plugin, it solves very real issues that your players can have in-game. So how does the plugin work with the in-game chat? It's pretty simple actually. You just type /note add whatever text, and that's pretty much it. If you look on the screen, you should see the full list of commands, but essentially it's really just a matter of typing /note in-game. As I mentioned before, it's a simple concept, but it solves a very real issue players can have. The plugin is fully open source and released on my GitHub. You can find a link in the video's description. I am always open to ideas, so if you have an idea on new features we can add, please join the Discord server located on my website at nordbots.cc. Thank you for watching the video.